Okay, let's go home.
There's somewhere here. Yeah! Rowan! I have a camera!
Bye-bye, kid.
Huh? No!
Thank you.
Huh? Wow.
Sana paniod to na.
So hot. Oh, pretty kid. Yay! Oh, what's that kid? Ah! Yay!
Look at the camera.
Okay. Eee. I think I just... Hello?
Go out na si Cashin.
Huh?
Go out na si Cashin.
Assault ba? I cannot see you.
Sa new house nila. We will visit there later.
Daddy, oh, turn off.
Oh, okay naman na. Nag-record na nagyapo na. It's recording. Ayaw, basag lang. We will watch that video later.
Daddy, oh, you say more.
Okay?
Yeah, you mommy, oh.
Okay.
The same. Look, like this.
Same as one jacket.
Yeah, ha. We're the same jackets. Daddy, this is...
Later na tabay ice cream when we sundo mami, okay?
Okay.
Then after sundo mami, we will go to Cashin new house.
Oh, stop! 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 Uy!
Uy, ayaw.
Look!
Sagdi lang. Almost done ang road.
Huh?
Road, almost done.
Daddy, wait the people's...
Lala.
Wait! Daddy, fix Nana! He's fixed? Sure, can we go there?
Ayaw.
Why?
People will get that angry. Hello, barber shop yo.
Huh?
Barber shop.
Burger?
Tanda diha na ta magpahirantat.
Okay.
Oh, nice. So, aircon yun now, aircon.
Uy, 1 and 2 and 5 and 8. Na, time na.
Wala pa.
Wala pa ta. Daddy, why you...
Motor on yun.
Ha?
Motor niya new.
Asa?
Oo.
Katong ni?
The other one.
The other one like this? The blue?
Oh. Nice.
We have new glasses. It's nice. Daddy. Tito Jason Motors old now. Tito Jason is motors old now. Old na siya yung mama is motor because he motor is he cannot slow ba siya slow because he's so slow. Whoa, so dear. Huh? Whoa. Hey. Faster. Now let's go faster. Daddy, what faster do with it? Let's go. Ready, set, get quick. Ready, set, get quick. Ready, set, get quick. Huh? Oh. They're here.